Okay friends, next up in our 3D bath bomb mold demonstration is going to be our Halloween spider web. So that consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. And so both of these, the top plunger as well as the bottom plate, they both have designs on them. So stick your shell on the bottom, stick your plate inside. All right, start by just putting a little bit in the bottom. Shake, give it your presses because you want those designs to come out. Don't do it hard, you don't have to mash it to death. Continue filling. I just hover above the mold and just let it fall out of my fingertips. Shake it so that it's flush. Take your plunger with your design, turn it over. Make sure that this fits. Okay, there we go. And let's give some presses. Taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it over, taps on the bottom plate. We're going to push all the way up on that plunger and get that shell off of there. Now straight up and off with that bottom plate. Grab your cardboard, stick it on the top and turn it over. And straight up and off with that plunger. And there is a beautiful cobweb for Halloween. That's how thick it is. Gorgeous, love that, love it. Okay, that's going to do it for today's video on this particular mold. And if you would like to purchase this mold or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can do so by going up to soap-chef.com.